Hey guys! Welcome back to Ava and Eve! Today we're going to have a special guest on our talent show. Bring her in. Today we're unboxing a Scruff. So these Scruff are cute, cuddly, and they'll be your BFF. So this Scruff is a pastel Scruff. You either could get a puppy, a kitten, or a pony. Pastel edition. Let's see. There are steps. First, wash. Then look at your cute little friend. Then brush. Then use your certificate. Don't forget, dry. So guys, we have our water over there, and let's begin. So let's open her. Looks like we have some tape here. Let's grab our handy dandy scissors. And if you're having trouble opening it up, don't forget to ask the parent for help. Let's see the Scruff. Look at the Scruff. It's all in a little ball. Let's put you down there for now. Look, we have all of her accessories. What if I take out the collar and you take out the brush? That sounds great. Let's take it out. Okay guys, let me take out the collar. And take out little brush. Look guys, her collar is like a pink pastel color. And her brush is kind of like a heart. And on the side, there's the little teeth where you can comb her very luscious hair. Ooh, I didn't see this guys. It looks like, well, it's a certificate. It's really big. Wow. Okay guys, so let's get our Scruff. Put that down there for now. So this is our Scruff. She looks so cute. What do you guys think she is going to be? I have a guess on a dog. I have a guess on a kitten. Well, we got our water over here. And we have our Scruff. So let's put our Scruff in the water. Boop, 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 boop. She looks so cute in here. Let's dunk her in. Let's move her around to make her so free. Ooh, looks like she's coming out, guys. What do you think she's going to be? I think she's really going to be a puppy. Let's try to take her out. Ooh. It looks like she's a puppy. So cute. Look at her. Or is she a rabbit? I think she's a puppy. She's so cute. She's adorable. She's so cute and cuddly. Okay, let's soak her in there one more time. And on her belly, she's a pastel color. So cute. She's adorable with a little paw. She's darling. What should we name her? Maybe we should name her Sprinkles. I have a pet named Sprinkles. Wow. Guys, look at her pastel color. Her little floppy ears and her blue colored eyes and her polka dot skin. And look at her little paws. She's so cute. Okay guys, so now we need to dry her off. I'm gonna go get me some good towel. Okay guys, so look, she's so cute. Eve, you're right, she's a puppy. Thank you, Ava. She's so cute, guys. What are your comments on her? Is she adorable? Let's dry her off. Now, you want to brush her? Let's brush you all up. Such cute hair. Isn't she adorable, guys? Yeah. She looks so cute. Her little scruffy tummy. We should put on her collar. Yeah. And bloop. There goes her collar. I'm going to try to brush her now. Her little tail, so cute. Her little hands. She looks like she's so sad. Maybe she wants some friends. We can be her friends. Let me continue brushing her back. Every time I brush her, you can see her polka dots get lighter. Have you guys always wanted a dog or a pet? I've always wanted a dog or a cat. Ava? Yeah? What pet have you always wanted? I've always wanted a dog. I also like rabbits and guinea pigs. I also like hamsters. And I always wanted to have a little horse. Okay, so here she is. Her name is Sprinkles. And she's so cute, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, hit the notifications, and watch more videos. Bye, guys!